Hi! In front of me is POCO C40, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings. Now scroll down and click on Notifications and Control Center. Following that, you need to choose App Notifications over here and click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from. I will go with Photos. Sorry, misclick. As you can see, all notifications from Photos are now off, but you can always turn them back on by choosing the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always click on one of your apps over here and enable or disable all notifications by clicking on this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!